Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChim. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in mobile phone. So let's start. Open App Store or Play Store. Search Vita app and download it. After downloading, click Open button. Now click on New Project and select the video you want to edit. Click Edit button to trim your video. Click Split button to split video part. Here you can set speed of video. You can see the video is now in slow motion mode. Now you can see the video speed is fast. Click on sound button to increase or decrease sound of video. Click on reverse button to play video in reverse mode. See, the video is now in reverse mode. Now click Style button to style your video. You can see the different styles are applied here. Click on Effects button to add effect into video. Here you can see multiple effects for your video. Tap on Face Effect to add effect on face. See, the lightning effect has been applied on video. In Ratio button, you can select video size where you are posting, example YouTube or Instagram. Click Music button to add music into background of video. Music effects also. In iTunes tab, you can select music from your phone. Click Extract button to extract music from video. If you want to give voiceover, then click Record button. Click Text button to add text into video. You can change text fonts to like this. In Caption field, you can select any caption template. In Label field also, you can select multiple templates. See, Instagram label has been applied. Click on Stickers to add stickers into video. Now click on Filters button to add filters in video. Click Adjust button to adjust color of video. You can increase or decrease brightness and color of video. Click BG to change background color of video. You have three options: blur, color or image. Select any one of them. Click on Scale button to scale your video. Click on Rotate button to rotate your video like this. In Order button, you can set order of video. Click Export button to download your video. Now, if you want to remove watermark from video, then click this settings option. Uncheck this option. You can select video resolutions too. I hope you like this video. Click subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.